In an era where the rhythm of life is often set to a relentless pace, stress, tension, and depression have become all too common. These invisible burdens weigh heavy on society, silently shaping the lives of countless individuals. But there's always hope, always a way to lighten the load. Here are some strategies to help you navigate through these challenging times. First up, seeking professional help is an excellent starting point. Therapists and counselors are trained to guide you through your emotional landscape, providing strategies and support tailored to your unique needs. For some, medication prescribed by a healthcare professional may be a part of the journey. Remember, there's no shame in this. Medication is a tool, and like any tool, it's there to help you build a healthier life. Consistency is key when dealing with stress and depression. Establishing a routine can offer a sense of stability, a comforting rhythm in the chaos. Regular sleep, meals, and physical activity can be the pillars of this routine. Speaking of physical activity, regular exercise is a proven mood booster. It's not just about getting fit, but also about releasing endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that can help reduce stress. A healthy lifestyle goes beyond the gym, though. A balanced diet, proper hydration, and moderate consumption of stimulants like caffeine and alcohol can help maintain emotional balance. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can also play a significant role in managing stress and promoting relaxation. Don't underestimate the power of social support either. Connecting with friends, family, or support groups can offer both a listening ear and a comforting presence. Setting realistic goals can provide a sense of direction and purpose. And remember, every small achievement is a victory, a step towards a happier, healthier you. Identify and limit exposure to negative influences. This includes people, situations, or media content that drains your energy or pulls you down. Find joy and distraction in hobbies and leisure activities. They're not just pastimes, but lifelines to positivity. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is another powerful tool. It helps identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to depression and stress. Expressing yourself can also be therapeutic. Journaling or creative expression can serve as outlets for processing emotions. In the digital age, limiting social media is more important than ever. Excessive use can lead to feelings of inadequacy and stress. Sunlight exposure is another simple yet effective mood booster. Spending time outdoors and soaking up some sun can do wonders for your emotional health. And finally, volunteering or helping others can offer a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Sometimes, the best way to help ourselves is to help others. To sum it up, stress, tension, and depression can be daunting, but they're not insurmountable. With professional guidance, lifestyle changes, and a proactive approach, you can navigate these emotional waters. And remember, reaching out for help is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength. If you or someone you know is dealing with severe depression or contemplating self-harm, seek immediate help from a mental health professional or a helpline.